Welcome to a transformative journey where Stoic philosophy meets the pursuit of physical excellence. In the next 7 days, we'll embark on a holistic approach to achieving your dream physique, integrating Stoic principles of discipline, resilience, and mindfulness into every aspect of your fitness routine. If you turn this 7-day adventure into a period and apply it for 3 months, you will reach the physique you want. Day 1. Setting the Stoic foundation. Welcome to your journey towards achieving your dream physique in a Stoic way. Stoicism, with its emphasis on self-discipline, rationality, and acceptance of the present moment, can be a powerful tool in your quest for physical transformation. Morning reflection. Begin your day with a Stoic morning routine. Reflect on the aspects of your body that you can control and those you cannot. Focus on accepting your current physical state without judgment. Physical exercise. Engage in a workout routine that challenges your body without pushing it beyond its limits. Remember, Stoicism teaches us to find contentment in our efforts, rather than obsessing over immediate results. Nutrition approach. Adopt a mindful eating habit. Choose nourishing foods that fuel your body and mind. Practice gratitude for the sustenance that supports your physical well-being. Stoic insight. As long as you live, keep learning how to live. Seneca. Embrace the process of self-improvement, understanding that true transformation takes time and dedication. Day 2. Cultivating discipline. Discipline is the cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, essential for both mental and physical development. Today, we focus on honing your discipline in all aspects of your fitness journey. Morning reflection. Reflect on the importance of discipline in achieving your goals. Embrace discomfort as a catalyst for growth rather than a deterrent. Physical exercise. Commit to your workout routine with unwavering determination. Push yourself to surpass yesterday's limits while remaining mindful of your body's signals. Nutrition approach. Practice discipline in your dietary choices. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and support your fitness goals. Avoid succumbing to impulsive cravings. Stoic insight. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. Cultivate a disciplined mind that is resilient in the face of challenges, allowing you to stay focused on your path to self-improvement. Day 3. Embracing adversity. In the pursuit of your dream physique, you will inevitably encounter obstacles and setbacks. Today, we explore how Stoicism can help you navigate these challenges with resilience and grace. Morning reflection. Reflect on the Stoic concept of amor fati, the love of fate. Embrace adversity as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Physical exercise. Face your workouts with a Stoic mindset, welcoming the discomfort as a sign of progress rather than a hindrance. Adapt and persevere, regardless of the obstacles you encounter. Nutrition approach. Approach dietary challenges with Stoic resilience. If you indulge in unhealthy foods, acknowledge it without self-judgment and recommit to your nutritional goals. Stoic insight. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. View obstacles as opportunities to exercise your strength and resilience, ultimately propelling you closer to your desired physique. Day 4. Practicing moderation. Moderation is a key tenet of Stoic philosophy, advocating for balance and temperance in all aspects of life. Today, we explore how practicing moderation can support your fitness journey. Morning reflection. Reflect on areas of your fitness routine where moderation may be lacking. Identify any habits or behaviors that may be detrimental to your overall well-being. Physical exercise. Strive for a balanced approach to your workouts, avoiding extremes that may lead to burnout or injury. Listen to your body and adjust your intensity accordingly. Nutrition approach. Practice moderation in your dietary choices, avoiding excessive indulgence or restriction. Aim for a balanced intake of nutrients that supports your long-term health and fitness goals. Stoic insight. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. Seneca. Find contentment in the process of self-improvement, rather than fixating on achieving a specific outcome in the shortest possible time frame. Day 5. Cultivating mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, a core principle of Stoic philosophy. Today, we explore how cultivating mindfulness can enhance your fitness journey. Morning reflection. Start your day with a mindful meditation session, focusing on your breath and bringing awareness to the sensations in your body. Embrace the present moment without judgment or distraction. Physical exercise. Approach your workouts with mindful intention, fully immersing yourself in the experience. Pay attention to the movements of your body and the sensations they evoke, fostering a deeper connection to your physical self. Nutrition approach. Practice mindful eating, savoring each bite and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid mindless snacking or eating out of boredom or emotion. Stoic insight. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Seneca release worries about future outcomes and instead focus on the present moment, where true progress is made through mindful action. Day 6. Finding strength and resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, a quality highly valued in Stoic philosophy. Today, we explore how cultivating resilience can fortify your fitness journey. Morning reflection. Reflect on past challenges you've overcome and the strength you've gained from adversity. Draw inspiration from your own resilience as you face new obstacles on your fitness path. Physical exercise. Approach your workouts with a resilient mindset, recognizing that setbacks are an inevitable part of the journey. Persevere in the face of adversity, knowing that each challenge makes you stronger. Nutrition approach. Practice resilience in your dietary choices, refusing to be derailed by occasional slip-ups or setbacks. Learn from mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth rather than reasons for self-criticism. Stoic insight. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. Cultivate a resilient mind that is capable of finding strength and purpose in the face of adversity, allowing you to navigate the ups and downs of your fitness journey with grace and determination. Day 7. Celebrating progress. As you near the end of your one-week journey towards achieving your dream physique in a Stoic way, take time to celebrate your progress and reflect on the lessons you've learned along the way. Morning reflection. Reflect on the growth and transformation you've experienced over the past week. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and acknowledge the effort and dedication you've invested in your fitness journey. Physical exercise. Engage in a gratifying workout routine that honors your body and the progress you've made. Celebrate your strength, resilience, and commitment to self-improvement. Nutrition approach. Celebrate your dietary successes, acknowledging the healthy choices you've made and the nourishment you've provided your body. Indulge in a nutritious meal that fuels your physical and mental well-being. Stoic insight. First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Epictetus. Embrace the Stoic principle of living in accordance with your values and aspirations, taking intentional action each day to align your behavior with your vision of your best self. I hope this 7-day plan provides a comprehensive framework for integrating Stoic principles into your fitness journey. Feel free to customize it to suit your individual needs and preferences. Good luck on your path to achieving your dream physique with Stoic wisdom as your guide.